Hello student, today we talk about the term pregnancy. So what is a pregnancy? Pregnancy is the period from conceptions to the birth after the egg is fertilized by a sperm and then implanted in the lining of the uterus. It develops into a placenta and embryo and later into the fetus. Or we can say growth of a new human being begins when an ovum is fertilized by a spermatozoon, usually in the uterine tube. And the resulting cell is called a zygote because the ovum and spermatozoon each have 23 chromosomes. It has a full complement of the 46 chromosome. And the period between the fertilization and the birth takes about 40 weeks. The first 8 weeks of development is called the embryonic period, and thereafter the developing of the individual is called the fetus. So the next is the gestation. So gestation is a process of during pregnancy. We can say the gestation, like the period between fertilization and the birth. The time of fertilization and the birth is called the gestation period. During this time, which one or more offspring develop inside a woman. This is called a multiple pregnancy. In multiple pregnancy, more than one offspring, such as twins, and the pregnancy can occur by sexual intercourse or assisted reproductive technology. And with the help of peristalsis of the uterine tube, the zygote travel toward the uterus. A journey that takes about week, and by 10 days after fertilization is firmly implanted in the uterine lining. During this time, it undergoes rapid and repeated cell division. So by the time it implant in the endometrium, it has become a blastocyst. And blastocyst is a hollow ball of 70 to 100 cells. The blastocysts contain inner mass of cell which develop into the fetus and amniotic sacs. Amniotic sac is a bag of membrane enclosing it, and the outer is a trophoblast, and the important is the placenta. And the common symptoms of early pregnancy may be missed period, tender breast, nausea and vomiting, and hunger, and the frequent urination can occur. And the pregnancy may be confirmed with the pregnancy test. Okay, some facts about the pregnancy. Normally, pregnancy had last about 40 weeks, and it have a three trimester, first, second, and third. And already we discussed the symptoms of the pregnancy in above slides, like a absence of the menstrual period, breast changes, tiredness, nausea, mood swings. And in the pregnancy test, we measure the hormone in like a human chorionic gonadotropin in the urine or the blood, and by the end of 37 week a baby is considered to full terms, and typically weight between 6 pound to 2 ounces, and 9 pound to 2 ounces. Most full term babies fall with these ranges. Yeah, there are some early pregnancy symptoms like missed period, morning sickness, dizziness, droplets of blood, feeling sickness, frequent urination, constipation, and the back pain also. There are the three stages in the pregnancy, like first, second, third trimester. During this, in the early stages, the develop the embryo is small enough that simple diffusion is adequate to supply the dividing cell, but because embryonic growth is so rapid, this quickly becomes unstable, and between third and between third, other changes may be extreme tiredness and might not be changed daily routine. Fortunately, most of this discomfort will go away. Okay, and they develop and they attach firmly in the uterine wall. The fetus is attached to the placenta. What happens in the first stage? The fetus is attached to the placenta by the umbilical cord and absorb oxygen and nutrients from the placenta. Okay. Second, in the second trimester, the abdomen will expand, and it may be baby continues to grow, and before this trimester is over, then the movement of baby can be free. Their stretch mark is developed on the abdomen, breast tiredness, and the darkening of the skin around the nipples and the palms of the swollen feet. In the last trimester, a newborn baby is made up of trillions of cells and many different tissues, of all which have developed from single cell zygote found at a fertilization. Differentiations of cell into specialized tissues and the organization of the specialized tissue to the body system. largely completed a first 12 weeks of gastations, and a 12-week fetus is very similar to 40 weeks fetus, although much smaller. And the final 6 months of pregnancy is devoted to primarily to the rapid growth of the fetus, the preparation for birth and independent life. Okay, it's all about the pregnancy, and one thing is also important to discuss, like the length of baby according to the month. Like in 1 month, 5 mm length; 2 month, 28 mm length. In the second month, endocrine glands appear, respiratory tree plays, skin, nails, sweat glands present in the skin, and the face has a human profile. Is look like that. In the third month, 78 mm length is a increase, and the blood cell produced in the bone marrow, and ossification of bone begins in the fourth month. The weight of the baby is 150 gram. Formation of hair, eye, ear in the place, and the joints also in the form. In the last 9 months, the weight of the baby is 3.2 gram or approx. And at that time, many symptoms immature but otherwise functional, and some important adaptations to the independent life required, like the cardiovascular and the respiratory functions. Thank you.